Alright, we're back in the Smoky Mountains, Abrams Creek Campground. Getting ready to head out to do our first backpacking trip in the Smoky Mountains. We got a 3-day, 2-night trip planned. Let me stop and check out the trails here because I'm already forgetting. We're going to be doing Little Bottoms Trail, Gold Mine Trail, Cane Creek Trail, and the Cooper Road Trail. Staying at campsite number 2 for our first night, and then doing campsite number 1 on our second night. Looking forward to it. Let's go hiking. Alright, into another intersection. We've got our Gold Mine Road Trail that we're going to take up 0.8 miles to the park boundary. We're going to finish up, go hook up with our next trail down Cooper Road that way after we eat lunch. Lunch spot for the day. Officially checking off Gold Mine Road Trail for our 900-mile maps. We did it. Taking Cane Creek Trail, 0.6 miles down that way to get to our campsite for the night. Tomorrow we're going to come back up, link back up the Cooper Road Trail, take it up that way to Hatcher Mountain. We have made it to our home for the night. Campsite number 2. Let's check it out. Says eating in the backcountry needs to be gross. Alright, breakfast is done. Got some gear drying out at camp. So we ditched our overnight packs and gonna go snag the last 1.5 miles at Cane Creek Trail. Cane Creek Trail is officially checked off for our maps. Alright, back to our intersection from last night. After a beautiful night in campsite number 2, taking Cooper Road Trail 1.8 miles up that way to hook up with Hatcher Mountain Trail. Up with the trailhead markers. Where we're going is on Hatcher Mountain Trail, down 2.6 miles to link up with Little Bottoms. What else you have over here is Cooper Road, which starts here and then goes down that way. Then you have Beard Cane heading off that way. Trailhead marker here. We're at Hatcher Mountain with a junction with Little Bottoms Trail. So Little Bottoms will be taken down this way. We got to follow Hatcher down for another 2/10 of a mile to touch a trailhead down there to fully finish it up for our map. Alright, back to Little Bottoms Junction. Taking on this way, I believe 1.8 miles. Coming up on our last trailhead marker for today. Just finished up Little Bottoms Trail for our map. So that's some inhalers from yesterday when we were here. Just a little bit up here is campsite number 1, our home for the night. Go check it out and get ready because it's starting to get dark. Campsite number 1. Check it out. Alright folks, that's a wrap. All packed up here at campsite number 1. Had an absolutely fantastic 3-day, 2-night trip in the Smokies. It was actually our first backpacking trip that we've done in the Smokies, so it was an absolutely incredible experience. We have a very short hike out to the truck, so we are embracing our inner hiker trash and hiking out in our pajamas. Big fashion statement, but we don't care. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.